Excuse me, do you know why I stopped you today?
No, officer. Did I do something wrong?
You were exceeding the speed limit.
Oh, I didn't notice the sign.
The limit here is 40, and you were going 58.
I'm really sorry. I was trying to get somewhere quickly.
Please remember, rushing can be dangerous.
You're right. I'll be more careful.
Can I see your license and registration, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll just check them for a moment. Okay, everything seems fine. I'll issue a small ticket.
Is it very expensive?
No, it's just a basic speeding fine.
All right, I understand.
Please slow down in this area. Lots of people cross the road here.
I didn't realize that. Thank you for pointing it out.
Even if you're in a hurry, safety comes first.
Absolutely. Thanks for the reminder.
Here's your ticket. Drive safely.
I will. I'll watch my speed from now on.
Good. Have a safe day.
Thank you, officer. You too.
Smith, we are already late. My boss hates late arrivals.
Relax, Molly. We still have time. I'll drive faster.
What was that?
Oh no, the tire just burst.
You're joking, Smith. Not today. Please, not today.
I wish I was joking. And guess what? No spare tire, no tools.
So now what? We'll miss office. We'll miss everything.
Hey, Molly, panicking won't fix a tire. First, safety. Hazard lights on.
Okay, what next?
Next, call for help. That's why roadside assistance exists. Hello? My car tire burst near Main Road. Yes, we're safe. Please come quickly.
That was easy.
Exactly. Problems feel big until you take action.
I'll message my manager. Emergencies happen.
Same here. Being late is better than being unsafe.
Today's lesson: stay calm, think smart.
And always expect the unexpected. Life doesn't give warnings. Your reaction is everything.
Hello? Hello, is this road assistance? Please help me.
Yes, ma'am, this is Road Assistance. Are you safe right now?
I think so. I'm really shaking. I had a small accident.
Take a deep breath, please. Tell me what happened.
I was driving to my friend's house, but I forgot the way. My phone map stopped working and I started to panic.
Okay, I understand. Were you driving fast?
No, not fast, but I was very confused. I took a wrong turn and suddenly a car stopped in front of me.
And then?
I pressed the brake too late and hit the back of the car. It was a light hit, but my heart is racing.
Are you injured? Any pain?
No, I'm fine, just scared. The other driver is okay too.
That's good. Where are you now?
I'm near a small grocery store. I don't know the area.
No problem. Turn on your hazard lights and stay in the car.
Okay, they're on now.
I'm sending a roadside team to your location. They'll check your car and help you safely.
Thank you so much. I was about to cry.
You did the right thing by calling. Help is on the way. Just stay calm.
Thank you. I'll wait here.
Hey, tow truck driver, I'm here to take your car.
Thank you for coming so fast.
Your car will be taken to the service center.
That's fine. I just want to go home now.
Did you learn something today?
Yes, I should never panic while driving.
That's right. Calm driving is safe driving.
Thank you. This was a scary day, but I'm glad I'm safe. Daniel, please pick up.
Lena, what's wrong? You sound scared.
My car just stopped in the middle of the road. I can't move it.
Okay. Breathe. Are you in traffic?
Yes, cars are passing me and people are honking.
Turn on your hazard lights right now.
I did. My hands are shaking.
Good. Now tell me, what happened before it stopped?
The car started slowing down. Then the engine went silent.
Check the dashboard. Do you see the fuel sign?
Oh no. Yes, it's red. I ignored it this morning.
So you ran out of fuel.
I feel so stupid. I was rushing to get home. I can see a gas station, but it's too far to walk.
Don't walk. Stay in the car. Call roadside assistance.
What if they take too long?
They usually arrive fast for fuel problems.
Okay, I'm calling them now.
Stay on the line with me until they answer.
Thank you.